All right, so we got a couple of things from Kemimoto. Got a windshield and some seat covers, and we're gonna get those installed today. I couldn't find a lot on YouTube about them, so I figured I would make a video of the install process for both. We're gonna start out with the easiest of the two, which should be the seat covers. They come in a nice vacuum sealed bag, so I'll get that open and I'll be back. All right, I've got them open. So from their install video, it looks like it comes in a couple different pieces, a seat piece and a back piece. So it's pretty self-explanatory. I'm not gonna walk you through how to install it. I will show you what it looks like installed, but yeah, we'll get it installed and I'll be back to show you kind of what it looks like installed and see if I like it. I figured I would come and record this. Was trying to get this fit on while it was stuck on there, but no, it comes out. You just pull on it. So all right, I've got it all installed. It's gonna take some adjusting. They don't fit quite perfect. There's a little bit of extra here, but overall it seems like a pretty nice fit. I might take this passenger side one off and reapply it, but material, I'd say it's average. It's kind of like some kind of nylon or polyester or something, and then like some fake cloth. So should wash off easy, hopefully. So next we'll move on to that windshield. All right, so here's the windshield. I hope it's okay. Box is a little damaged from shipping, but yeah, we'll get her put on. First thing it wants you to do is unbolt those 4 stock bolts. Can't really see it from this side, but it's in the same spot on the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep, so we'll do that and be back. It's also a 10 mil bolt. All right, got it all unboxed. Seems pretty sturdy. Comes with instructions and a bag of bolts and stuff. So yeah, we'll see what it'll take. All right, so the instructions say loosely install 4 spacers and 4 screws into the windshield. But the bolts are too small. So it looks like they give you some washers, and I'm going to install them on this side of the windshield, the back, and we'll see how it goes. Okay, so it looks like that's the correct way. Put the washer on the outside and the little spacer on the inside. Our next step is to set this in there, and then we're going to clamp it down. Okay, I've got it placed in there. You want it on the inside, on that metal frame part there, for all 4 pieces. Now we're gonna bolt it down and tighten the fit. All right, well, whatever bolt they sent me is too short. I don't know if you can see in there, but it doesn't reach far enough to actually lock. So I have to go to Lowe's and figure out what size I get, and I'll let you guys know. Okay, day 2 of getting this windshield installed. Finally got it installed. Had to go to Lowe's and get some M6 by 1 by 45 bolts. The actual ones they give you are just a hair too short. So the one that they give you is this one here. This is the one I got from Lowe's. It's not a a flathead one that I bought. This is the one they gave you. I went ahead and just bought a Phillips one, and it seems to work okay. The windshield's nice and secure. It's a little dirty from CFMoto not properly drilling out these side to roof things, but otherwise I'm pretty satisfied with it so far. Open, close, open, close. There's no catching or anything. I did reinstall the seat covers yesterday. I think I had a couple of them on backwards, and they fit much better now, and I can't keep my kids off of it. So yeah, that's it. If you guys have any questions, feel free to send them in the comment, and I'll do my best to get them answered for you. Until next time, peace.